Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a closer look at lungtank.com, a website that sells a portable breathing device marketed for people who need oxygen or air during activities like diving and hiking. The big question is this a trusted health product or is it just another scam? Let's dive in. Quick disclaimer, all of the information in this video is based on public research and personal opinion. Let's start by talking about what lungtank.com actually offers. The company sells a device designed to give you supplemental oxygen when you're out in the water or in low oxygen environments. The idea is pretty cool, right? A small tank of air that you can take with you to help with breathing in tough situations. But the real issue comes when you dig deeper into customer experiences. On Trustpilot, lungtank.com has a 3.4 star rating with only 27 reviews. And that's not all sunshine and rainbows. Many customers report issues with delivery and customer service. For example, one person mentioned they ordered a product back in January but never received it. And after multiple follow-ups, they still couldn't get a refund. Another customer spent over $500 and never received their product even though they had proof it was delivered to the wrong address. There's also a comment on Reddit that brings up a major safety concern. Apparently, the lungtank device is only rated to work at depths of 3 meters, and even that's a safety limitation, not a technical one. So if you plan to use it for anything deeper, you might run into any issues. And without a pressure gauge, you could run out of air unexpectedly, which could be dangerous. Some say it might be better to invest in actual free diving training instead of relying on this device. So after looking at the reviews, the product itself, and some user feedback, my final verdict is that lungtank.com raises several red flags. The customer service issues, delivery problems, and safety concerns made me question whether this is a really reliable option for anyone needing supplemental oxygen or air. If you're looking for something for diving or other activities, I'd recommend looking into more trusted and established brands with proven track records and better customer feedback. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.